What is up YouTube, IDM here, and welcome back to another video. I'm going to show you guys a really cool trick on iOS 15, and this is to create a Memoji shortcut to your favorite contact or contacts for messages. Now the way this operates is actually really cool because it doesn't actually launch the Messages app. It just opens up that contact as kind of a sheet over your home screen, and you can reply to that person. Now I'll show you guys what I mean. I've had some people asking me in some previous iPhone setups. I have my girlfriend set up to do that, and it's really quite cool. So to create this Memoji icon, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to get rid of this icon here real quick, just to make space for the new shortcut icon. So we'll just throw that over there. I'll just disable this page, click on done, and now I have a slot for it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into shortcuts, and I'm just going to click plus in the upper right there, and I'm going to add an action, and then you just search for send message, and it should show up down here. So we'll click on send message, and then you can see here send message to. You can pick your recipients. I think it's cool to just do one person, so I'm going to go ahead and choose myself here really quickly. I'm going to have it blacked out so that you can't see my phone number, but I'm just going to go ahead and select on myself just like that. So just select the contact you want to create this for, click on done, and then all we got to do is add it to the home screen. Now I'm going to do add to home screen, and I'm going to choose a photo. Now I have my Memoji screenshot here in this section here, so there I am. Now I wish Apple would allow iPhone users to share their Memoji with other people, but what you can do, and what I've done, basically my girlfriend took a screenshot and sent it to me, so you could have the other person do that, or you could just create their own Memoji if they don't have one set up. So you can just create one for them that looks like them and then use that. But I'm just doing myself, so I'm going to go ahead and choose myself like that, and I'm going to clear my name and click add and add it to the home screen. So there you go. As you can see, there is my Memoji as an icon on my home screen. And like I said, you could have a lot of fun with this. You could do multiple contacts and make it look really neat. But like I said, the cool thing about this shortcut icon is it doesn't actually launch the Messages app. It just opens up as a sheet. So as you can see, when I open it up, I could just go ahead and send myself a message just like that. And when I'm done, it auto dismisses. You get that little banner there. And that's how it works. It's really freaking cool, I think. So that's how you can make a Memoji icon shortcut for messages for your contacts on iOS 15. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely throw me a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot here at the channel. And if you guys want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to click that subscribe button. This has been Jeremy, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.